Welcome, guys, to the first episode of Soccer Manager. Here, together, we'll rebuild some of the best teams and also some of the worst teams. Anyways, our first team is Bayern Munich. We have a pretty good chance for 129 million. Let's check our inboxes. Sorry. Chairman expects us to be challenging for the title. Okay, contracts expiring. Drawn against Hoffenheim. Final of TFL Anata Der Klassiker. Fixtures. Our first fixture is Bundesliga against SVW. Players on loan. Arena. Yeah. I can't see that. Let's confirm. One thing I'll do, and you might not have to do with me, is return these players from their loan. Terminate. I don't want to, guys. Very sorry. You guys were better at where you were. So, Mr. Neuer is very old, 33. He needs a replacement. We know of someone. We are gonna sign him, Donnarumma. He is a bargain, and since he has only 12 months left on his contract, so we can get him for very cheap, probably for, let's try 58 million. I don't think AC Milan will let him go below that. Also, we wanna get Mr. Sancho. He too 59 milli, and in place of our Lewandowski, I know he's clinical, but he's getting old, so he won't improve. We know of someone, Timo Werner, general forward, whatever you are. Let's try anything below H. I suggest you guys do search. I believe we need improvement in that position. No, don't go for this general forward, guys. These guys, after all, are very bad. Even let's go. I say let's go. For. Let's see, Martial to general forward. Yeah, let's go for Piatek. He is Polish. He'll. Okay, so they recently signed him. Anyways, due to lack of option, let's see which who of these guys are interested in changing teams. I don't think the Mbappe wants to come to unless we win something. 95. Also, let's see what we can sell. Let's see what we can sell. Okay, so I wanna sell Boateng. Very sorry, but he's a club legend, I know that. We will sell Ulrich. We no more need him since we are bringing in Donnarumma. Our defense, Hernandez, Yul Pavard. Left mid, left back, Alaba, CM Martinez, Alcantara, Tolisso, Goretzka. They'll do just fine. And yeah, that's looks to be pretty much it. But we are also going to be selling someone. He's been having a pretty off season. Muller, sorry, deep lying forward. That's the worst position in the game. So let's sim. Okay, so we'll be playing the match and we'll be showing you this. So the first match was completed. We cruised 5-0 against Hanover. Of course, this was a friendly, but we played full strength. We demolished them. Lewandowski scored two, Goretzka scored, Gnabry, Coman had an off day, same with Alava, his substitute Davis, Pavo and Martinez played quite good. So that's okay, and that is the reason I am bringing in Sancho to provide cover to Gnabry and all those guys. Let's sim some more days. Okay, I'm waiting for you guys. I'm not gonna give them so much money. Instead, if they don't give me Lewandowski, I'll simply buy Haaland. Donnarumma, Boateng. Before that, let's. Oh, nice. 32 million for Boateng. It's very good, I believe. Okay, Boateng's left. So Donnarumma will be keeping him for a long time. 157, 500. Give him whatever they want, give those young players. Sancho to discuss, we also will keep him. He is one of the world's best. Ah shit. We need to bid short a bit since we mistakenly gave him the world's greatest. Move to first team. Sancho, see, I told him we would get him cheaper. 157,500. Signing fee, take whatever you want, man. Sancho, move to first team. Alright, nice. They have given us 14.5 million. We are happy with that. Scoring at Real Madrid. I don't understand how Real Madrid. Okay, let's first search. I want to sign someone back up. Let's see, we have 40 milli and we know someone. It's the Brazilian third link who is supposed to join Real. Let's snap in her. It's Korea Lincoln. 23 milli and he was us. I wanna be trying out Donnarumma, so Neuer's gonna have to be on the bench. Let's also try out Sancho into the second role. Let's put him. Let's see what he can do. Donnarumma is gonna be a 30 win since Neuer is here, and let's give Sancho the 7. Even that. So we are back with our second friendly, probably the one. Let's see how our new signings perform. Leon Goretzka scored 2 assists at 2. What a game from this guy. Lewandowski, perfect. Sancho, he played 45 minutes on the left, 45 minutes on the left. Coman, this is the second time he's underperformed. Same for Gnabry. Goretzka, Alcantara, good off day from our defense. And Donnarumma, in spite of conceding a goal which was not his fault, he got a perfect 10 in his first match. Even Neuer, he remember one thing, he's under 19. So let's see what Mr. Lincoln has to say about her side. Also, no one's interested in Muller. It looks as if Lincoln. Dortmund have put. We got Sancho from them. We are gonna have to give them Muller. That's fine. I'm perfectly content with that. Okay. Muller, Lincoln to discuss negotiations. Oh boy, I'm perfectly happy with that. Let's see if we can sign Ansu Fati. Yes, he is open to joining our club. We will get him. Let's see if Rodrigo goes. Are you interested in joining Real Madrid? Let's see. Oh no. And hope maybe Vinicius will say the same thing. Unlikely. Maybe next year. Might be. Also, after let's see if we sign party transfer we sent. $7.05 million. We'll give you 7.1 million simply because Ansu Fati is a beast. So Manchester City have won the let's sign 40 and then end this video. Please, I wanna sign 40. 40 will accepted. Oh yeah, we are getting a gym. 15,000 only. Thank you, boy. Thank you. Oh yeah. And that's it for today's video. See you next time. Bye.